Hello everyone and welcome. Today is just going to be a quick pick for Peter, the Irish lockpicker. He's going through some really bad health problems right now, and the community is going to be doing some lockpicking videos for him. Today I have my Wilson Bohannan all brass padlock. This is the key for it here. It's a 5-pin lock. It's one of my favorite locks. It's actually one of my first locks I bought off of eBay. I've got a couple Wilson Bohannans in my collection. This is the other one here. Just was able to get this one open for the first time today. I don't have a key for that. It's just all standard pins. Got a click right there. And click, and we're open. I only had to pick 2 of the pins. This is the key again. This is only stamped Wilson Bohannan. There's no other markings on it, so I don't know where it was used. Looks like it had a chain, maybe hanging on a door or something. And since that was such a quick opening, we'll do a real quick, see if we can get my other lock open. My other Wilson Bohannan. This one is marked AVA on the back, so I don't know if that's someone's name or an abbreviation for a business. I do have to do this one. I found counterclockwise. I think that's why I was having trouble for a little bit getting in. I just got this in a recent trade from K1 Locks. Click on 5 there. This is a little awkward for me, picking top of the keyway counterclockwise. It's actually the first time I've ever done that. I can't get my tension wrench in to do bottom of the keyway. And I lost it. Toughest part is giving it enough tension to actually open because of how I have my thumb placed. So click F5 again. Click at a 3, I think. Seems like I have to stop after every click and test it and see if it's open because I don't have enough. My thumb just can't push it enough to open it when it does open. I find these need a fair amount of tension to open. Okay, here we go, and we're open. Nice. Peter, we wish you well, and you're in our thoughts and prayers here. And I hope the news you got from the doctor is incorrect and that it will pull through. And like I said, you're in our thoughts here, Peter.